This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coating. Growth. That's the assessment out of the Powder Coating Institute's second quarter report. Although supply chain, raw material shortages, and commercial construction lag continues to challenge the industry, it estimates that the global powder coatings market grew 17% in quarter two. North America was up an estimated 44% over last year, but the market is still down 6%. Trends indicate the majority of the price increases have passed at nearly 20%, and in some cases, price increases have been higher. The availability is improving slightly, although still not back to normal levels. They should start to return in the next few quarters and into next year. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.